Okay, let's unpack this. You've sent over some really fascinating material about how certain foods, they might not just be good for you, they might actually, interact directly with your longevity genes.
Exactly.
So our mission today is to kind of cut through the noise, give you a shortcut to understanding which foods could, well, supercharge your health right down at the cellular level.
And what's really exciting is how science is finding these direct links. Specific compounds in our diet connecting to the very genes controlling aging, detoxification, cell health.
Wow.
It's way beyond just eating healthy. This is about targeted biological impact, giving cells specific instructions almost.
Direct communication with our DNA, basically.
Yeah.
Okay, where do we start with this? It looks powerful.
Well, let's kick off with something maybe a bit surprising. Humble broccoli sprouts.
Broccoli sprouts.
Yeah.
Not just like regular broccoli. What's special about the sprouts?
It's the concentration. They are packed, absolutely packed with sulforaphane.
Sulforaphane.
Yeah, and this activates NRF2. You can think of NRF2 as your body's master cellular defense chief.
Right.
It's like flipping a switch that tells your cells, okay, build stronger shields, start detoxing. It builds real resilience.
So they're giving our cells a protective shield.
Yeah.
Proactive. I like that visual. Okay, what about blueberries? Everyone talks about blueberries, tiny powerhouses.
Oh, absolutely. That vibrant blue,
Yeah.
It comes from anthocyanins. These compounds enhance RT1 expression.
RT1. That rings a bell. Brain health.
Exactly. Think of SIRT1 as the fine-tuning knob for your brain's operating system, boosting it. It actively improves memory, helps slow down brain aging. This gets really interesting for, keeping sharp as we get older.
So not just general antioxidants, but a direct upgrade for the brain. Got
Yeah.
it. Following that, red grapes, often linked to health, but what's their longevity angle specifically?
Right. Red grapes, they're a key source of resveratrol.
Resveratrol, yeah.
And this compound, it activates sirtuins. Sirtuins are like your cell's cleanup crew and repair team all rolled into one. Linked to better metabolism, less inflammation, and really crucial DNA protection. So it means helping your cells stay tidy, protecting their instruction manuals from wear and tear.
That's quite a job description. Okay, should staple next. Extra virgin olive oil. It's got to be more than just tasty, right?
Oh, far more. It boosts autophagy. That's your cell's natural cleanup process. Smart recycling, basically. Sweeps away the junk.
Autophagy. Okay, cellular cleanup.
Plus, it has oleuropein, a really strong anti-aging antioxidant. It really makes you question, how we see everyday stuff. It's not just flavor, it's biology in action.
My olive oil is helping my cells stay clean. Mind blown. Okay, what about green tea? Classic wellness drink.
Green tea's power comes largely from EGCG. This compound stimulates the AMPK pathway.
IMBK.
Think of it as the energy management switch in your cells. Turn it on, you promote fat burning, lower inflammation body-wide, and basically extend cellular lifespan. It's about optimizing those little energy factories in your cells.
Like setting your internal engine to eco mode, but a really powerful one. Incredible. Okay, shifting gears a bit. Fermented foods. Yogurt, kimchi, miso. How do they fit in?
These are game changers for your gut microbiome.
A microbiome, right? Crucial.
Totally vital. A healthy gut regulates inflammation, boosts immunity, even impacts mental health. All fundamental pillars for longevity. Feeding your gut directly with these foods is key.
Happy gut, happy life. And longer life, maybe. Avocados. Everyone loves avocados. What's their secret?
Well, they're rich in those healthy monounsaturated fats, but also glutathione, often called the master antioxidant.
Glutathione, okay.
So they support heart health, sure, but they also directly tackle oxidative stress in aging cells. Simple additions, big impact potentially.
And the golden spice, turmeric. What's the deal there?
Curcumin, that's the active compound. It's a powerhouse, supports DNA repair, super important, promotes brain longevity, and it's a major anti-inflammatory. Really reduces that age-related decline signal, underscores the power of spices.
Amazing. Right. I need a sweet note. Dark chocolate. Does it make the list? Please say yes.
Yes, but the key is 70% cacao or higher.
Okay, 70% plus. Got it.
The flavonols in it enhance blood flow, especially to the brain. They can help lower stress hormones, and they definitely support cardiovascular health. It's actually a delicious way to boost well-being.
That is good news. And you gave us a bonus too. Pomegranate juice. What's special there?
Right, pomegranate juice. In your gut, it gets converted into something called urolithin A.
Urolithin A.
Yeah, and this compound goes straight to work on your mitochondria. boosting their function. Think of it like empowering your cells' little energy factories. We see it improving muscle endurance, especially in older adults, revitalizing cellular energy.
Wow. Okay, so wrapping this up, what does this all mean for you listening right now? We've taken this deep dive and it seems clear. Specific compounds, identifiable things in everyday foods, they can directly talk to your longevity genes, your basic cell processes. It's not magic, is it? It's just incredibly precise biology. And it's potentially right there in your kitchen.
Indeed, what this shows is that your food choices can be a really powerful, targeted tool. You can actively switch on your body's own defenses against aging, boost your overall health, which, raises a pretty important question, doesn't it?
Hmm.
Knowing this, how might you empower your next grocery run? And what other hidden cellular superpowers might be lurking in your pantry right now?